Most people think cinematic ads are created using expensive camera, big crews, massive budgets, but today I'm going to show you how I create cinematic ads using AI. First, watch this. This video will show you the magic of AI. I'm not going to use any real brand name. I'm going to pick any random name and let AI turn it into a premium cinematic brand. Once you understand the process, you can apply it to any brand. Now let me break down exactly how I built this from scratch. Now without further ado, let's dive into it. Step number 1 is to design fictional premium brand. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and write your prompt. Act as a world-class brand designer. Create a premium brand name with a minimalist logo concept and elegant packaging design with a creative tagline. Style, minimal, cinematic, high and aesthetic. Mood, calm, warm, premium. Create an AI image of it. ChatGPT has done a nice work. For this video, we will treat this as our own premium tea brand and build a cinematic ad around it from scratch. Let's go to our step number 2. If you already have a brand identity, you can skip this step and jump directly into storytelling. It's to create script. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT again. Now write your prompt. Act as a cinematic advertising film director and brand storyteller. Use the uploaded brand name and logo exactly as it is. Do not rename or redesign it. Create a 30 seconds world-class cinematic ad with 6 emotionally linked scenes. Write image prompt and video prompt for every scene with connected flow. Keep it calm, cinematic, and high-end. Think in terms of cinema and emotions, not tools. And now click enter. At this stage, I am not asking AI to create visuals. I am asking AI to think like a storyteller. Now this is the result. ChatGPT is an expert in creating script. It has given us image prompt as well as video prompt. Now let's move to our next step. Step number 3 is to create image. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT again. Simply copy our first image prompt and paste it here and write down, I want this image in 16:9 ratio and click enter. ChatGPT has created this image. Now simply click here to save the image. Now it's time to move to our next step. That is step number 4 is to create video. For that, we are going to use Google Flow here. Simply open a new tab to open Google Flow. Click on the first link. Click on new project. Here select ingredients to video. Click on plus icon. Upload your downloaded photo and copy our first video prompt and paste it here. And now click on create. Now here's the video created by Flow. Now simply click here to download the video in original size. Now it's time for our next step. Step number 5 is to extract final frame. For that, we are going to use Final Frame AI. Now open a new tab and write Final Frame Extractor and click on the first link. Now upload our downloaded video and click here to download the last frame of the video. Now in the Google Flow tab, click on the plus icon, upload our last frame, select scene second video prompt and paste it here. And our second video is ready. In this way, we have created all the scenes for our ad. It's time to move to our next step. That is step number 6 is to merge videos. You can use any video editor here. I am going to use Microsoft Clipchamp here. This is the interface of Microsoft Clipchamp. Now click here to create a new video. Click here to import media and import all the videos. One by one, sequence wise, drag all the videos here. Now after importing all the files, click on add audio. Now I am going to add a music. Now I want to add text at the last. So click here to add text. Every morning deserves a moment. So this is our final ad. Now click on export to download the video. Isn't it that easy? AI doesn't replace creativity, it simplifies execution. If you want to stay ahead, make sure you are subscribed. I will see you in the next video.